Here are 3 red flags which, if you identify in a woman, you need to run as fast as possible. The first one is she parties all the time. So let's say she's out 3-4 times a week, or on the weekend she goes out on both nights and she comes back late and she always complains about being hungover and tired. She's not going to be a good mother of your children. The second thing is that she's posting thirst traps on social media. Now, if she's posting pictures because it's genuinely her business, and let's just say she has a bikini business, then that would make a lot more sense, and that's her livelihood at stake. But if she doesn't have a business and she's constantly posting thirst traps online, it means she's a massive attention seeker, and she won't just be seeking attention from you, but from many other men. The third thing is that she's been single for a very long time. Now, if she's been single for 8 to 10 years, that's a very worrying sign that no other man has chosen to take her on as a girlfriend, or that she has struggled to find someone. If she's been single for almost 10 years, it's a very worrying sign. Not only that she's not a good partner, but also that she's probably racked up a pretty large body count.